What is up, everybody? This is the perfect way to start off a new episode. The sun has finally come out. The weather looks like it's clearing up after just weeks, what seems like forever weeks of June gloom, on shores, rain. Wow, soak it in, baby, soak it in. It feels nice. Conditions are somewhat glassy, low tide at the moment. Going to meet up with the boys. All right, contestant number one. We have Omar.
Contestant number one.
What's up, buddy?
I want to play Plinko.
Oh yes. Here we have the man, the myth, the legend, Erik Valenzuela. Woo! And this year we got his son Drake. Guest appearance, first time ever in Nika. And last but not least, the biggest, Chaka.
Loading up, ready to go.
Epic. Stoking. I didn't get them properly introduced in the end of last week's episode. We're gonna hook back up with them. We're starting the new episode with them. We're gonna be full on for the next X amount of days. Dialing, stoking, ADL 505, baby, another day in the life.
Grabbing. Gracias.
What's up? How we doing, man?
Good to see you. Good morning.
You already been out?
I just took a walk. I'm not gonna paddle out this morning. I want to see what the day holds before I burn a lot of energy.
Omar not paddling out? What?
Nope, not yet.
Oh, Eric's not even out. Hey, what's going on here?
Look.
Ooh, the Los Perros. That point. The swell's filling in, baby. Swell's filling in. Pretty glassy right now. The wind's supposed to be offshore today.
I'm not camera ready, bro.
Hadn't done my hair yet, man.
I'm not camera ready.
All right. So Sunday the 23rd. Today is Father's Day here in Nicaragua. Happy Father's Day from Nicaragua to all you pops out there. Living it, loving it. We're going to check the CEO. Look both ways before you cross the street, right? We're going to check the CEO. We're gonna get out there. We're gonna get our Father's Day barrel. I feel it. It's been a minute since I've had a good one. Today is the day. It's gotta be. We're gonna go put eyeball.com on it first though. But I think we just gotta get out there regardless and just hope we luck into that one. Let's go see what it looks like first. All right. That's what I get for making heavy claims before actually seeing it, for getting out in the water. There's definitely swell. It's not looking so great, pretty churned up. Tide's dropping quick. The boys say maybe later with water. There's definitely potential. I'm gonna go back to our little secret sandbar right in front of the place. It looked way cleaner, pretty closed out, not gonna lie, but that random corner, every once in a while would come through. I'm out there by myself. I have more potential than being out here with the 15 or 20 guys there are. And like I said, there's a lot of rip. Didn't look too inviting. No claims this time. We're heading back to the secret sandbar and whatever happens, happens. Let's hope we find that Father's Day barrel, man. Please. Oh yeah, because I got to get this barrel real quick because the boys want to go on the boat around the corner this morning, or this afternoon, whatever we want to call it. Tide will be later in the day, so we'll be heading out like late morning, all afternoon. Only adventure, man. Father's Day Nicaragua, the fun never stops. Living it, loving it. ADL 505, baby. Good stuff, man, good stuff. It's pretty closed out for the most part. We got to pull into a couple there, get that feeling, get that excitement. Whoa, here it is. It was cool. It reminded me of like back in the day, being out at low tide Colorado all by myself and just trying to find that random nug. It was cool, it was clean, it's by myself. It's definitely swell, it's pumping. All right, we're gonna get changed. Probably the boys. I gotta go get some chocolate. I need some sugar, man. And I'm gonna head down around the corner, hopefully score. Wow, this is the best Gatorade I've had in a long time. It's ice cold. So refreshing. Oh god, get that hydrate on, dog. And we got our penguin on, man. Triple chocolate latte. Look at that. Oh, it's home, boys.
Ice cream! I got my ice cream!
Thank you.
All right, another morning, another boat, another left point. We're on it, swell's pumping. Check out all the debris on the beach, man. Oh, it's been nasty. Where's that sunshine we had the other day? All right, stoking, living it, loving it. Another day in the life, baby, 5-5. All right, Omar, what's going on this morning?
We're gonna go surf Lances. My first time. I'm going to be de-virginized.
This is your first time here?
Yeah.
What? No way.
I know, dude. I've been misled to believe that this wave doesn't exist. And now
Oh, it exists.
It exists. But I'm not the one who put the word out, obviously. Now,
You're the last one to jump on board.
I'm the last standing kook. But yeah, thank you, Chris.
The last of the Kohikans. Or Kohikans. No, I'm just kidding. Wow, look at that hair, dude. Morning hair. All right, let's go surf. Chef Omar again. This guy is in the kitchen or on the surf, always. That's all you do. Surf, cook, surf, cook. A little eating too, you know.
Oh, I'm gonna be eating, all right.
Thank you.
Good to see you, brother.
See you, Omar.
Take care of that skin,
Thank
bro.
you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man. Safe travels.
Thanks, man.
Next year.
Next year.
Good luck on all your endeavors.
Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of y'all's trip.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Be safe, Jake. All right, more mosquitoes, cool. Thank you.
Hurry up, get the money!
Wow, look at that goodness. Oh my gosh. All right, another day, another wave, another day at the villas with the boys. Swell's dropped just a hair.
Omar, did you lock it? I gotta get the GoPro.
Things are being forgotten already. That's usually me. Omar, you gotta tell us what's going on right now. What are we doing?
We're gonna go see if we can cross a nice river. in
A nice
Chris's
river?
truck. Yeah, and then we're gonna try not to submerge the hood like we did a couple years ago, because apparently that's bad for trucks.
Yeah. And Chris loves his truck, right?
And Chris really loves this truck. I love Chris's truck. I don't want to be stuck in a river.
And what's gonna happen when we get across this river, if we get across this river?
I think we're gonna go and get barreled. That's like the idea.
That's always the plan.
Yeah.
All right, yes.
Filthy pics.
We're on the jungle mission. If we can get across the river, that's the big question. Let's go check it out. Stay tuned, everybody. Another day in the life, 505. Oh, that's got a big drop off, that's why.
Hi, dude. I believe in you.
That guy said we could do it.
Yep.
All right, rational thinking took over. We decided not to take that risk of crossing the river. Can't mess up my baby, you know? So we just cruise back over here. We're gonna grab a ponga and scoot over there. Find them barrels we're dreaming of. saw where this is. Surf down there. Well, this is our river that has provided us our secret sandbar out front throughout the week. Today it's flow. We've had some nasty weather. We got some Chaka mini barrels out there. Swell has dropped down. Everybody's pretty beat. We're just cruising.